You, sir.
Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, this is Ammar Jaffri, former head of Cyber Department, Government of Pakistan, and currently I am President Paisa Side Pakistan. Today, topic of my talk is artificial intelligence for global cybersecurity, opportunities and challenges. Ladies and gentlemen, I am very thankful to China CERT and the organizers of this very important event today for inviting me in this conference. I wanted to come to China, but due to some pressing commitments I couldn't come. So I'm very thankful for engaging me in this conference through this video. Ladies and gentlemen, we had internet, we are having internet, and we will have a different internet in very near future. Emerging technologies, which are many in its nature, like artificial intelligence, like Web 3.0, like Metaverse, like ChatGPT, like Industrial Revolution 4.0, like Society 5.0 from Japan, and so many things. These are upcoming very fast. But all these technologies are now helping these societies to develop themselves, to come forward. And the development center right now globally is now focusing on SDGs, Sustainable Development Goals. So to my understanding, if we have a secure internet at a global level, let me repeat again, at a global level, because internet was conceived and designed to work globally. So with secure internet, we will have good education, quality health services. We can control climate change, which is again a threat to the entire globe. And very recently, we are working in space because SDG 18 speaks for a space for all. For all these things, we need a very, very secure internet. All of you know that cyber criminals are using the cyberspace for the same purpose we are using. It's their business. We have web, we have dark web, we have deep dark web. And by the virtue of remaining in law enforcement for so many years, I fully understand, and I have the proud honor of working with a number of Chinese companies, government organizations, and especially CERT. So cybercrime is something which is definitely the responsibility of the governments, because cyber crimes, we have laws in Pakistan also, but that is the complete responsibility of the governments. But when we talk about cybersecurity, it is a shared responsibility. It's the responsibility of universities, responsibilities of society, responsibility of the government, responsibility of the technical organizations, and so many things. Now, I'll come to my topic, that is artificial intelligence. To my understanding, AI, which is again driving among the, as a leader in the emerging technologies, artificial intelligence is the best technology ever produced and made and designed by human being. Now, AI is moving fast in almost all sectors of the human interventions, wherever we are working. But today, we'll be very focused on use of artificial intelligence for cybersecurity. And ladies and gentlemen, machine learning, all of you know, is one of the capability of AI. It helps the machine to learn as we as human beings learn. As a child learns, when the child sees a thing, it learns its image, it learns its name and everything. So now we will discuss that how we can use machine learning in detecting and mitigating cyber threats. Cyber threats is equal to all countries. Cyber criminals are friends of no one. They are the criminals. So all international organizations sitting here, we must focus that how we can use artificial intelligence to work together at a global level, because it's a global forum and we should work together globally. Now, first I would like to discuss the anomaly detection. What is anomaly? anything which is out of box, anything which is not in the system. So this irregular pattern in the network traffic and the user behaviors. Network traffic is something which is very systematic. Packets, header, tailors, and all these technologies we can talk about for hours and hours. But it has a pattern. It has a behavior because human beings use this network. The moment something abnormal happens in this network, AI has the capability to detect it. Humans can also detect it, but humans have a limitation. They sleep also, they go on leaves also, but machines never sleep. So AI can be used in identifying any anomaly which is not designed for that network, any abnormal behavior of a human being, only through its algorithms. Then we will talk about I would like to say that when we use AI for the proactive cybersecurity, there are two ways of handling cyber threats. One is reactive. When something happens, then we do it. But once we do it proactive, then we discuss about it. So AI can be used as a tool for preactive cybersecurity, that we are proactive and we can identify what's going to happen. So AI models can analyze the historical data. Let me repeat again, historical data. Every organization has a historical data. Then based on that data, using AI algorithm, we can forecast that what is going to happen now. Let's take the example of banking industry. So banks are using internet. So if something abnormal happens, which we'll cover in the abnormality, then we can proactively make our cyber action secure. Now, second is natural language processing, NLP. NLP being used to analyze and understand the human created text on internet, like emails, like chatting, all these things. So we can use natural language processing to detect that what's going on. Then we can again write algorithms, we can have words, we can have phrases, we can have some patterns that if this occurs, inform us. So next I would like to discuss that how we can automatically AI driven response to the cyber threats. Cyber threats are something which is a pattern. So we can discuss that how it can be beneficial when we have AI driven automated response. How? Because we will have algorithms. We are sleeping, we are golfing, we are playing, we are eating, but our machines are checking our systems as an automated response. And this, I think, this is again based on the behavior patterns and the big data we can talk about. False positive is one of the limitations of AI, because we need to be very, very careful when we use AI, that we should have ethics. This is very important. The use of AI has certain ethics, so we can program things, but it should remain within the laws, within the ethics of the country in which we are working. In the end, I would like to say something about future trends. I think quantum technology, quantum computing is especially the encryption in the encryption and development of AI-driven cybersecurity tools is very important. I think is something like the future trend. Then there's a growing importance of AI in cybersecurity, and it has the potential. It has the very, very big potential of enhancing our work quality, enhancing the tools and services and solutions we are using. And you cannot stop time and technology. It has to come. There's a big debate going on at all levels that should we use AI or should we not use AI. All those people who are saying that we should not use AI has certain arguments, and that's what I have stressed on the ethical use of AI, especially when we use it for the cybersecurity purposes. We have to protect the data, we have to see the privacy of the people, privacy of the organizations. So all these things can be discussed in detail, and I'm looking forward to work with all of you amazing people, and I can be approached very easily on my email account, which I will just now share with the organizers, and you can talk to, you can take it from them, and you can contact me. I am the president of Paisa Cert Pakistan, and we are taking part in almost all cyber drills. We are taking part in all cyber competition at a global level. I'm very thankful to all CERT people sitting here, OIC CERT, AP CERT, JP CERT, China CERT, African CERT. I'm very thankful to all of them for giving me the opportunity to join in their cyber deals, cyber competitions, and I'm looking forward to work with China and all other amazing countries, amazing professors sitting here. Thank you very much, and looking forward to see you all in some other next event. Thank you very much. Thank you.